Cast on 20 stitches. Work all knit stitches. Further knit 37 rows with garter stitches. Change the yarn and also knit 18 rows with garter stitches. Again, change the yarn and knit 14 rows with garter stitches. Change the yarn and again knit 18 rows with garter stitches. Change the yarn and knit 37 rows with garter stitches. Cast off the stitches. Thread the tapestry needle through the white stitches and tighten. Sew a few stitches from the top. Repeat the same from the other side. Sew with the tapestry needle. Attach the decoration and fix it.